You have learned that 谁 means who in Chinese. But wait, what about 谁叫你来的？谁都知道，或谁也不想去。Those aren't just who. In this video, you will discover how 谁 can mean whose, everyone, no one, and more, all through 7 native grammar patterns. Let's get started.
那个谁在哪里？
哪个谁？
那个刚来的新同事，我忘了他叫什么名字了。
你是说彼得吗？
对，彼得。
他好像去了洗手间。你找他干嘛？
不是我，是老板找他谈话。
你听说了吗？彼得好像是公司大股东的孩子。
什么？你再说一遍。他是谁家的孩子？
大股东的孩子。
怪不得他谁都不怕，每天迟到早退。
就是啊，谁叫咱们没有他那么好命。
How to use 谁 who, or you can also pronounce as 谁. The first way of using 谁 is to ask the who question. The sentence structure is subject plus 是 plus 谁。他是谁？他是我老公。谁吃了我的蛋糕？不知道。The second way of using 谁 is to express everyone or anyone. The sentence structure is subject plus 谁也 or 谁都。这个数学题那么简单，谁都会答。or 这个数学题那么简单，谁也会答。我今天一定要赢他，谁都别想阻止我。我今天一定要赢他，谁也别想阻止我。Number 3, using 谁 in a rhetorical question to mean everyone. The sentence structure is 谁不 plus the. 他是个大好人，谁不想嫁给他？这狗那么可爱，谁不喜欢？ Number 4, using 谁 in indefinite reference or null reference. 那个谁帮我拿杯水来。这道菜我看谁做过。Number 5, using 谁 two times in a sentence. Sentence structure is 谁 plus verb plus 谁。今天需要加班，谁早退，谁就会受罚。这么难吃的面，谁做的，谁就得吃完。Number 6, using 谁 to ask about possession or ownership. 那是谁的包？怎么放在这里？这包是谁的？不重要，重要的是要赶快把它交给警察。Number 7, understanding the Chinese phrase 谁叫。The Chinese phrase 谁叫 can be used in 2 different situations. The first situation is asking who called or called for someone. 这外卖是谁叫的？ In this sentence, 谁叫 means who ordered. 谁叫你？ 把我的电话号码删掉的。谁叫 in this sentence is who asked you. Who is the one who instructed you to delete my phone number? The second way of using 谁叫 is to express frustration or complaint. 你为什么这么维护大卫？谁叫他是我弟弟？ The friend is asking, why are you so protective over David? The person answered, who asked him to be my brother? That means he has no choice but to protect him because he is his brother. What is the difference between 谁 and 什么人？谁 is a personal pronoun, whereas 什么人 is a combination of 什么 what plus the noun 人。谁 seeks to provide information or identity of a person. 什么人 on the other hand, seeks information about a person's occupation, characteristic, and relationship, etc. 房间到底是谁弄脏的？ Who actually dirtied the room? In this sentence, we can change 谁 to 什么人, so the sentence becomes 房间到底是什么人弄脏的？他是你的什么人？你这么怕他？ Who is he to you? Why are you so afraid of him? For this sentence, you cannot change 什么人 to 谁 because 什么人 over here is we are trying to seek or to clarify the relationship and not asking for the identity of the person. 练习 Use 谁叫 to answer the question. 妈妈为什么骂小明？ Why did mom scold 小明？ You can write your answer in the comment section. Example, one of the answer you can provide is 谁叫他那么不听话？ Meaning, who asked 小明 to be so disobedient? Rearrange the sentence. 怕 means to be afraid. 谁 means who. 乌龟 turtle. 铁锤 hammer. 妈妈 mother. 小明谁 who. The possessive particle. 是 is. So there you have it. 7 ways to use 谁 that go way beyond just asking who. Be honest, how many of these did you already know? Drop your score in the comments. Was it 2 out of 7, 5 out of 7, or did this video totally change how you see 谁? If you learned something new today, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more bite-sized Chinese lessons coming your way.